Have you ever wondered how baby-led weaning can totally change mealtime for your little one? The reason why I chose to approach baby-led weaning is because I wanted to facilitate an environment where my baby can develop a healthier relationship with food. I don't know about you, but I used to be a picky eater as a child. I was the child who hated getting my hands messy, and I was very selective with my choices of foods. As another 90s baby who was airplane fed, I decided to try a different approach, baby-led weaning for my son. I'm going to share my best tips for making mealtime fun and stress-free with baby-led weaning so you can enjoy every bite with your little one. The baby-led weaning, also known as BLW method, introduces solid foods by allowing your infant to feed themselves. With baby-led weaning, you can also mix the method with spoon feeding and purees. Baby-led weaning is known to encourage independence and healthy eating habits from a young age. There are many resources out there to get started with BLW. I personally love using the BLW Meals app. With their paid version, I personally use their meals section to plan my meal preps. The meals section contains meals of the day according to the season and the child's age. Each meal will show you how to offer by the respective age group, a video for visual preparation, the recipe, how to store leftovers, and tips from others. For meals with one ingredient, such as eggs, this page may add additional info like how to cut, recipe ideas, fun facts, and sources. This app has loads of resources on topics such as gagging and choking, how to deal with the mess, and how to offer the top allergens. Other basic equipment that would be helpful to start with are, number 1, a high chair. I didn't want to spend a lot on a high chair, so I ended up buying the IKEA Antilop High Chair with tray for $29.99 Canadian. I decked out this high chair with a footrest from Amazon as I noticed my baby needed more stability during meal times. This footrest has adjustable heights. Number 2, I added silicone placemats for easy cleanups, a cushion from IKEA that is inflatable and the fabric is machine washable. I got this on sale for $1.99. Hi! Another alternative to a high chair is this portable floor seat with tray. It has straps to be used when placed on the chair or have the option to stay on the floor. What I love most about this seat is that you can easily tuck away the tray underneath and it grows with your baby from 6 months old to 3 years old. Long sleeve mess-proof baby bibs are also perfect to keep the mess off the baby's clothing, and they are also machine washable. And last but not least, I added Catchy, and it's to catch any food that falls below. Catchy has sizes for many other types of high chairs as well. For utensils, I ended up getting Munchkin self-feeding flat spoons. What I love about these spoons is that it has a short handle for babies to maneuver. Its flat design can be used on either side, and the holes can be used to mush semi-solid foods. I also added in the Munchkin Miracle 360-degree trainer cup. It's a non-spill cup, great for transitioning to open cups. It works by pressing onto the top lid for water to trickle out. The Munchkin Straw Cup is another great item to have, as it easily taught my baby how to drink from a straw. It can also easily close to store the straw away. Lately, I've been using another item called the Munchkin snack containers. These were game changers as they never spilled due to the mechanism of the lid that only allows fingers going inside, and the lid retracts when the fingers are taken out. It also became a shaker toy that my baby loved to play with as well. And last but not least, I have plates and bowls with suction cups. Suction cups are great for these to stay put while your baby's self-feeding. I ended up getting those without suction cups in the beginning, and it was just hard to keep it on the tray as my baby tends to throw it out or the Catchy catches it, so I highly recommend those with suction cups. One helpful equipment I bought from Amazon was the Chef Handy blender and steamer. It is a 5-in-1 that allows you to warm bottles, blend, and steam for your baby meal preps. All the products that I mentioned will be in the description box. Please note that if you decide to purchase through the links in my description below, I actually have affiliate links set up, so it actually helps support me into my whole mama journey and building this YouTube channel. So I would really appreciate it if you can support me through that way as well. There are several readiness signs that your baby is ready to start solids, such as 1. Able to hold their head and neck up without much support, and number 2, shows interest in others eating or other foods, and number 3, they open their mouth whenever food approaches. Give yourself time to make meals to be able to serve right away. I usually make a small batch and give my baby 1 to 2 tablespoons first before giving more. That way, no food is wasted and the rest of the untouched food can be stored in the fridge or freezer. I've learned it's best to milk feed and change my baby's diaper prior to putting him in the high chair. You don't want a cranky baby right off the bat. Trust me. I now usually wait at least 1 hour after a milk feed before eating solids, as I noticed my son was spitting up a bit of his milk if he ate solids too soon after. Here are some common concerns and challenges you may experience. Number 1, gagging. Note the difference between gagging and choking. The gag reflex is a normal mechanism, but recognize what choking appears like. For example, this app has many resources about gagging and choking. Also, I highly recommend, and I'm sure a lot of people will recommend, to do a CPR course for babies. Number 2, other people may not be in tune to the idea of baby-led weaning. You may experience other people telling you what to do, but as long as you do your research and know your values as a parent, you can also share your knowledge about baby-led weaning to others who questions it. As a parent, it is a personal choice whether to start solids as purees, baby-led weaning, or a mix of both. If you choose to try baby-led weaning method, I hope these tips can help you in your journey. And this wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and please comment below your experience with starting solids. Let me know what has helped you and what has not, and feel free to share your tips too about your own experience with baby-led weaning. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video so far. I have decided to kind of rebrand my whole YouTube channel, and it would really greatly help me if you guys can subscribe. I'm starting to do my channel based on a lot of baby and mama life, so please feel free to subscribe if you want to see more, or also comment below if there's anything you guys want me to make a video on. Thank you.